since the first spark of creation, angels have waged the eternal conflict to defeat the forces of darkness and corruption. Led by the Angira's council, their unity made them an indomitable force for light and righteousness. Stand fast! Auriel, Archangel of Hope. Malthael, Archangel of Wisdom. Itherael, Archangel of Fate. Tyrael, Archangel of Justice. And Imperius, the Archangel of Valor.
Hold, Imperius. We must regroup our forces.
Hold! Victory is within our grasp! We press on, brother! Diablo.
Are you prepared to face me alone, Imperius? Your rage makes you powerful, yet you hide it from your brethren. Perhaps you fear them seeing you for what you truly are.
I fear nothing! This was your trap, Diablo. Pitiful.
Yet, here you all are.
At last we have captured one of the prime evils. Holding him will surely turn the tide of war in our favor.
Take your vengeance, Imperius. Seal your victory.
This is not justice, brother. Nor does this decision lie with you alone. If you slay him, he will simply return in time. But if we imprison him...
Against his kind, there could only be blood for blood!
Sacrilege.
So much for your unity. The trap, at last, is
Angels, demons. I fear their conflict will soon engulf the world of men. And when it does, what hope will there be when even the wrath of angels cannot be quenched?
Chirp.